Okay, so let's simple demonstrations of the experiment. One of the experiment, very important experiment. Actually, for our BTech student and also the PG student. So here, different types of the motor generally used for the electrical vehicles, like PMDC motor, squirrel cage induction motor, PMSM motor, PLDC motor, PMDC motor. You know that the basic, those who are the electrical background actually know the different types of motor, their working principle, how to control their speeds. Like a simple one of the induction motor. You know the induction motor like that Ns is equal to 120 F by P. Then how to control the speed? You know the frequency control, voltage control. So there are different parameters for the different motor. So here, see here. This is the setup for the control the AC motor, that is the induction motor, and here there is the variable drive, that is the variable voltage, variable frequency control. So simply see here, this is the connection here. See here, this is the squirrel cage induction motor connection is there. Okay. So simply we just vary the frequency and we just means simple V/F control. So simply just we vary the frequency, we can control the speed as per the relation. Already I discussed those who are the electrical background, different how to control the motor, they know the basic of this controlling technique. So here see, sir,
this is the I want to just
tachometer.
This is the digital tachometer.
Tachometer.
So from this, by the help of this tachometer, we will measure the what will be the speed of this motor.
See here, just close.
See here, now frequency like suppose 18 hertz. Then 18 hertz, sir, please measure the speed.
Yeah.
Please measure the speed. Number ले जाइए. What is the speed? 530, approx 530 RPM. So just vary the frequency. So see, now frequency just 25 hertz. Then slowly the speed will increase. Then how much speed?
Now speed is changed to approx 730 to 740.
Okay. So again, just we increase the frequency. Rated frequency, you know the India rated frequency is 50 hertz. Now just operate this motor 50 hertz speed. Then rated speed. We will achieve the rated speed. Sir, what is the speed?
It's about 1496.
Okay, very good. So it means that at the rated frequency and rated speed, that is the 1496 RPM. So as per the formula, you know this is the 4-pole machine. So 1500 RPM. But this is the induction motor. So always below of the synchronous speed. That is not 1500 RPM, that below of 1500 RPM. Which means that we just control the frequency, we control the speed. So in that way, the different types of motors are used. Here in the work way, I will simply control the speed. So one of the experimental purpose, this is the experimental purpose setup. Here we can perform the speed